Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can redeem code in Crunchyroll application. Keep watching the video till the end. To redeem code in Crunchyroll, firstly open your Crunchyroll application. The home page of Crunchyroll application will appear on the screen. Click on Account option at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, tap on Redeem promo code. Enter your code and click on Redeem. You can also scan your gift code as well. By tapping on Redeem, you will agree to gift card and promotional code terms and condition as applicable. This is how you can redeem code in Crunchyroll application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.